Hi everybody, I am Sandeep Pandit, the Spice Angel. I've teamed up with Shan, and what we're gonna do is use these two amazing products from Shan, the Tandoori Sauce and the Chaat Masala, to turn this beautiful cauliflower into the most amazing vegetarian roast dinner that you can ever imagine. You don't need any other spice, just these two, and watch me do my magic. To begin with, let's take about 1.2 kilos of a whole cauliflower. Trim the cauliflower, take out as much of that stalk as you can. To mix all the ingredients well, make sure you give the bottle a good shake and pour out about 250 grams in another bowl. Pour this amazing tandoori sauce all over that beautiful whole cauliflower and apply it evenly. Use a spoon to make sure the sauce gets poured inside the cauliflower. Cover it and let it marinate in the refrigerator for overnight, but for best results, 24 hours. Let's now make the hung yogurt. Pour in 300 grams of plain or Greek yogurt onto a cheesecloth and allow that moisture in it to drip away. Tie a rubber band on top of it, securing it. Cover it up and place it right next to the cauliflower in the fridge. Take 400 grams of mixed vegetables of your choice. Add 2.5 teaspoons of Shan chaat masala to them and give it a good mix. Now let's get that cauliflower from the fridge. Ooh, it smells yum. Keep the cauliflower aside for a while. Take a couple of tablespoons of the marinade and pour it on the roasting vegetables. Give it a nice mix. After 24 hours, the yogurt must be this soft. Just take all of it and add it to the remaining marinade. Add a tablespoon of chickpea flour or besan, but this is optional. Apply this paste onto the cauliflower. And we're ready to bake. Place the veggies into a roasting pan. Pour in 300 ml of stock or water on top of them. Place the cauliflower on a rack. Bake it all in a preheated oven at 210 degrees for 25 minutes. For that incredible char, make sure you grill it for another 5 minutes at the end. Carve it and serve the cauliflower with the roast vegetables. With just Shan Tandoori Sauce and chaat masala, a vegetarian roast dinner is sorted.